ठीक है
A very good afternoon to all of you. This time the collection is for Rara. I had showed you last year where I showed Krishna as the protagonist and I was doing Nagwar Kishwari. This time it was Radha. It is not the Radha who doesn't try to Josai and just a lava. This time she meets Frida and then in that commission illustration there is Radha with Frida and the people part of the palace woman today called Radha who wears her veils and she knows her roots. So the whole collection is hand-spun, hand-woven khadi and hand-painted kalamkaris. Then the whole collection is named after badass women in the history who've been unsung heroes. Like Ada Adelaide, and there's a whole list. Madam of Lloyd has been neurosurgeons and scientists who've been not some. I mean, they were people who deserved the Nobel Prizes. They didn't get it because they were women. So that's the whole point, So this moment of today is Radha. So which is I think all of us are. That's the moment of today. Thanks. Thank you. Darshana and Bhatta would like to ask about it.
Home by Jade this time presents a collection by Amar. Amar actually means boundaries, and this collection explores the infinite possibilities that a nomadic has. And both of us really get inspired by travel. So, as you can see, it's very, very fresh, but at the same time it's repeated. And maybe Monica can add.
Nowadays, we are leading such a fast-paced life. We wanted to do something which is boundless, carefree, at the same time keeping the silhouettes very feminine. So that's how we've added hues of very feminine colors of whites, greys, golds, and some bold colors like reds, oranges. And Swara, looking standing in this cape and a drape.
You've chosen the most feminine person in the industry to like.
I mean, first of all, I don't know why is this punishment, like no chairs this time. But no, I love the work that they do in Jade, and I wear them often. So I was very happy when they asked me to do this. I was like, oh yes. And I think that, I mean, just to, yeah, I mean, you pretty much said it. I think that the nomadic spirit is also a very free spirit. And I think that that spirit is in that collection. It's nice in these times to have that.
Good afternoon, everybody. SWA presents Noor. The collection is inspired from the era of the North Girls when they were the entertainment and during the British Raj times. So we have shown an entire cultural interaction between the Mughal times and the British Raj, and we brought out that entire color palette as well. We've done a line of beautiful drapes and lehengas with jackets, and we've kept it very chic and feminine this time. It's a lot about glamour, and yeah, it's a lot of fun outfits.
And we have also introduced the menswear collection, which is like just a very summary line, keeping the destination weddings in mind. This kurta teams up with Bandi, and you know, the one new line with what we have introduced is the kurta sherwani. So it looks like a sherwani, but it's actually a kurta sherwani. So that's what the upcoming season what you can expect from us. And of course, Kaur is looking gorgeous.
Well, Nimrat Kaur is feeling gorgeous in this beautiful outfit. Thank you so much, Paras and Sonam. As you can see, it's a traditional, you know, ghagra teamed up with something kind of modern and a little bit different. And I really love the inspiration they, you know, derive from the elements around them, whether it's architecture or history or. So I was very inspired by what inspires them. And the Notch Girls never, of course, had any luxuries of chairs, so I'm kind of just playing the parts. Thank you so much. It's really lovely to be here.
Opening the floor for some questions. Anyone have any questions?
The motives to a lehenga.
So the motifs on the lehenga are picked up from the Havelis, in which the North Girls used to perform their beautiful Mughal architecture, and that's why we picked up motifs and we made the artwork for this lehenga. The blouse is a modern take on a blouse. We didn't want to do something very traditional. We wanted to keep it very today. So we've done this beautiful chic drape and just given it a little element of the brooch happening.
If you see what Swara is wearing, it has got this stunning drape inside, which is hand drape. And for the cake, what we've done is to give it a very feminine look, and we want to give this very world travel look to our collection. It's got lace work. At the same time, we've used intricate Indian embroidery.
What are the trends you're looking forward to summer of your collection?
Feminine, very edgy at the same time.
उनकी जो ब्यूटी थी उससे इंस्पायर्ड है एंड इट्स अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन it's targeted I think for the modern Indian woman, you know, where I'm wearing like a combination of something that's very traditional and then, you know, the blouse is nice and modern and it's something with a twist.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था इस स्टेज का एंड वॉक का, तो इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए।
ये एक्चुअली वेन्यू बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहा, ये पहली बार ऐसा वेन्यू रहा, तो दैट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू वॉक एट द लैक्मे फैशन वीक. बहुत अच्छा लगा. मेरा एसोसिएशन पारस और सोनम के साथ पहली बार है with their brand SWA. So it's been a really great collaboration. I've really had a great time.
तो मैम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे थोड़ा कलेक्शन के बारे में बताइए, किस तरह की कलेक्शन है, थोड़ा बताइए।
So our collection एकदम ट्रेडिशनल है with touches of modernity in it. So निम्रत ने जो लहंगा पहना है उसमें
It's called the collection name. It's the Noor Lehenga, and it's inspired from the Notch Girls of the British era. And we have used intricate motifs from the architectural of the Mughal era, and we have incorporated them into embroideries, and that's what you can see what Nimrat is wearing right now, the embroideries on the lehenga, and very modern take on the blouse. That's what we have done.
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कितना कंफर्टेबल है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, कितना
जी कंफर्टेबल कितना ये तो अगर आप पहनेंगे आपको पता चलेगा पर बट ये खूबसूरत बहुत है और हाँ मतलब इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऐसा कुछ नहीं है बट इट्स जस्ट दैट ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट्स टेंड टू बी अ लिटिल बिट heavy so it's not something obviously to be worn every day. It's a very very beautifully adorned outfit so it's for a very special occasion. So special occasions के लिए कुछ भी you know everything we are willing to.
What's your style statement?
Sorry, what's my style statement? I think I like to be the best of myself. I don't like to be something that I am not or something that's on trend. You know, I look for inspiration more from within rather than you know from the outside and you know elements of fashion and
Are
trend.
there any trends that you're trying to follow for 2017?
Uh,
That you want to add to your wardrobe? Which ones would that be?
I think exercising is a trend that I'm following quite heavily this year. I've started on a very fun note with a lot of exercise heavy you know days. So I have a lot of very exciting sportswear in my wardrobe right now. So but on a serious note, like really I actually don't pay that much attention to fashion trends and you know what's out there for 2017. I think my lists are a little bit different in that sense. But I'd like to experiment with stuff I've not worn before, or you know, just kind of break the molds that you create for yourself. That okay, I will not wear this or I won't wear that. So I'll try to experiment a little bit more this year.
Nimrit, you've worked internationally. You've done Homeland and then Wayward Files. But after Trump's, you know, he's into presidentship now. He's the president of US. Do you think it's a matter of worry for Indian actors there now?
I don't know if the
been an
new
Obama
American
supporter.
president. Sorry.
You've been an Obama supporter.
I think we all have been,
Yes.
you know. President Obama was really something else. But I think President Trump has nothing to do with, you know, actors getting employed here and there. I don't think that's a concern. I think there are bigger issues that, you know, one needs to worry about with his presidency right now. So, yeah.
Nimrit, give us a peekaboo into your 2017 wardrobe. You know, in terms of traditional wear.
Traditional wear, I love to go back into my mother's trunks, you know, to see what she's got and if I can destroy something and make something out of it for myself. I love their collection. I love SWA. I love what they've got together. So I'd love to pick up a couple of pieces from them as and when, you know, I need to. So I think I like to also, you know, say that in different cities, in different on different occasions, your idea of tradition and what you like to wear as traditional Indian outfits changes. So you don't want to wear the same kind of stuff in everything. You know, sometimes you like to pair up a long jacket with, you know, straight pants or something like that, and you know that can also be in a traditional space. So yeah, I think it just depends on the occasion.
Any particular color that you love? I mean, what would be your favorite?
For which season?
For summer resorts.
For the summer resort season, I think coral. I love coral. Even pastels, any pastel, like a pastel green or just a lemon yellow. I love these shades.
You're entering into the web series space, and have you started shooting for?
No, I'm prepping for that. We haven't started filming yet, but soon enough. Quite excited about that.
And what else is happening? You think web space is a really interesting thing?
Yeah, I think that's a space that is the way forward, and it's something that just came my way at a time that you know I could pick it up. So it's an interesting platform to dabble with. So I'm quite interested in seeing how that pans out, and it reaches out to an audience that one hasn't explored before or one hasn't perhaps interacted with before. So and of course you know content-wise we can really push our boundaries and not be worried about so many of the factors that one needs to be concerned about in the movies. So that's very exciting.
Nimrit, Valentine's Day is just round the corner. So what are your plans for Valentine's Day?
Oh God, that's a very depressing question, yeah. Because I have no plans for Valentine's Day, so now I'll just like make sure that at least I have some friends that I love, you know, to hang out with. We'll probably go out for a meal or just something nice, so maybe a movie or
Can
something.
you just say Happy Valentine's Day to the viewers of
सर सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था वॉक करने का एंड उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए।
वेल मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया। मैंने इस बार फैशन वीक के लिए मोनिका जी और करिश्मा जी के लाइन जेड के लिए वॉक किया एज अ शो स्टॉपर। इनके कलेक्शन का नाम अमात है। बहुत ही खूबसूरत कलेक्शन जो एक आज़ादी की स्पिरिट, एक जो बंजारों की जो स्पिरिट होती है उसे कैप्चर करता है। and they've done a really lovely job. They have managed to get all kinds of like interesting essence of travel, of freedom, of femininity in their collection. तो मैं भी वो आपको थोड़ा और बताएंगे अपने कलेक्शन के बारे में.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
कलेक्शन का नाम अमात है. संस्कृत में उसे बाउंडलेस मीनिंग है. सो अमात में वी ट्राई टू टेक एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, पर एट द सेम टाइम एम्ब्रॉयडरी इंडियन यूज़ किए हैं. कलर्स एंड फैब्रिक्स वी यूज़ विच आर गुड फॉर समर. सो वी यूज़ ऑर्गेनिक फैब्रिक्स, कॉटन्स, मल्स एंड प्योर सिल्क्स.
सर आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कितना मुश्किल था वॉक करना और कितना इजी था, कितना आसान था, कितना नर्वस थे?
यू नो मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, मॉडल नहीं, तो ऑब्वियसली रैम्प मुझे बहुत डर आता है. और जब इतनी सारी खूबसूरत लड़कियाँ आपके आसपास होती हैं जो इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली वॉक कर रही होती हैं, इतनी अमेजिंग लग रही होती हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली आपकी नर्वसनेस और डर थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है. लेकिन चूँकि मैं एक्टर हूँ और मुझे एक्टिंग करनी आती है, तो मेरी एक्टिंग काम आ जाती है रैम्प पे. बट नो, ऑनेस्टली आई मीन देव बीन वेरी सपोर्टिव एंड it was fine, it was great fun, and I think that it's a lovely collection, it's a very wearable collection. तो as an actor and as someone who जो उनके कपड़े अक्सर पहनता है, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया.
ओके, अगर स्टाइल की अगर बात करें तो स्वरा का स्टाइल क्या है, क्या स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है, उसके बारे में बात करें.
आई मीन आई थिंक कि मेरा किसी का भी स्टाइल उनकी अपनी पर्सनैलिटी को रिफ्लेक्ट करना चाहिए. तो आई एम श्योर मेरा स्टाइल भी मेरी पर्सनैलिटी को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. कभी कभी जब मैं बहुत ही आलसी फील कर रही होती हूँ तो वो बहुत ही झल्ला सा स्टाइल होता है. कभी कभी जब मुझे मन करता है थोड़ा ड्रेसअप करने का, तो हाँ वो थोड़ा एक ड्रेसी सा स्टाइल होता है. बट अल्टीमेटली अगर मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल है तो इट इज़ थोड़ा सा बोहेमियन, थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सड. एंड एज आई सेड, आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि अगर आप खुद कंफर्टेबल नहीं हैं आपने जिस चीज़ जो पहना है उसमें, तब आप अच्छे नहीं लग सकते.
जैसे कि सर अनारकली के पोस्टर्स आ गए हैं, पिक्चर्स आ गए हैं
जी,
तो उसके बारे में बताइए किस तरह की.
अनारकली मेरी आने वाली फिल्म अनारकली ऑफ आरा 24 मार्च को रिलीज़ हो रही है. एक ऑर्केस्ट्रा पार्टी सिंगर की कहानी है. आरा जैसे आप जानते होंगे बिहार का एक शहर है. तो बहुत ही मज़ेदार फिल्म है, बहुत अच्छा रोल है और उसमें एक देसी फैशन का सैम्पल मिलेगा आपको. यू गाइस हैव टू वॉच इट. हाँ, मे बी आपको कोई देसी झमका हुआ इंस्पिरेशन मिलेगा. थैंक यू.